How about it? What is good, my YouTube family? It is good to see you again. I appreciate you tapping in from the bottom of my heart. Today, we're doing some performance upgrades on the Scat Pack, and let me tell you, these are actually worth it. I told you guys before at the beginning when we first got into this, we would do everything on the channel, right? We were gonna do performance mods, we were gonna do swinging it, we were gonna do car meets, all that stuff, right? So I am going to deliver on my promise, but I got one for you, right? It's a very affordable and worthy upgrade. All right, let me tell you. So Momentum GT cold air intake, right? Most people go, cold intake, whatever. It's just, look, 29 horsepower, 31 torque, off top, right? It's my first official mod to the car outside of all of the aesthetic stuff that I've done, right? Make it look good on the outside, but now it's time to get something under the hood. So let's get it. So far it's pretty simple. All we had to do was take off the clip for the O2 sensor, removed a couple of bolts, and then we got popped this hose off right here, and the entire box just pops out. So it's gonna be
and then just loosen up the clamps.
Now the cool thing is we have all new clamps, all new clips, everything comes with it. So we're not gonna reuse any of the old parts. And recently when I installed the HID RGB lights, I went ahead and popped out the center caps, so I got more air popping through here now. So we're gonna leave the cap off of the bottom, and that way I'll get air from the bottom as well.
The small one, so the small one's gonna go on the inside, and then the big one's gonna go to this one. Same thing with this. One's bigger, one's smaller. The one that's smaller goes to your throttle body stuff. See, but obviously we gotta get the clamp in first, and then the way you set them up. You don't want to leave it too tight just in case we gotta move some.
All right, so while the box is off, we're gonna take, we got the grommet in, we got the insert for the O2 sensor. So now we can take and screw that back into here, and we can put our O2 sensor cord, plug it in, and won't throw any codes.
So this is the only part that you gotta use from the OEM intake. You gotta use it onto here. That's it, like, see? That's the only one. Okay, so that's in, that's in. First things first, let's set this one down, and then we can start tying down everything. This is gonna be the important factor, is that this is good. Nothing has to be too tight yet till we secure everything. But at least that's in place. Okay. So I'm gonna need that deep socket for that one too.
Look how clean this fits here in the bay. Perfect gap all the way around. Nice clean fitment. We got the O2 sensor clip back on there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's right. Big bodies.
You did a ceramic coating on it too.
Jeez. So much to look at. Make my skinny little girl look good.
Yeah, he just did the ceramic coating on it.
I like that, man. And you know how to hit a corner the right way. For sure. Good to meet you, big dog.
It's the right here. It's the homie I'm telling you about.
Yeah.
You met him
I met you before, right?
Yeah, okay. So Shaggy's the one that's like, I can't remember him. Oh yeah, the rims are glossy, bro. Oh, yeah. They almost look black. Oh God.
Ooh. Man, that shows off the curve. Nice though.
Hell yeah. Now you just did the ceramic coating on it.
Little chunky monkey thing. Uh-huh. I like it.
No?
Fresh off the lot though. Fresh off the lot.
Yeah. Shit like that. That's the shit that makes you shit like. Cause we're smokers, bro. So it's like, you know, been happy.
Come on now.
So
Come on, it's big boy part around here, baby.
Let's
go.
In there, fucking on hot rods, you know, gotta air it out as much as you can as you go. You got the windows up, the AC, just crack the sunroof. You know, just little shit like that. You're gonna park, you just smoke, leave that shit cracked on torque. Oh yeah.
Bam. All right, EP fam, it's gonna wrap this one up. Thank you guys again for tapping in. Much more to come, I promise. Be back on the grind. We got more dropping soon. To be honest, I got some content for you. Skirt, skirt. You already know. So I will catch you on the next one. Out.